Alright, we're going to look at the giant circle challenge here and see if I can get you started on the right track. If you look at the bottom of the screen here, it's going to show you that there is some given information. So the first thing you want to do is take the given information and put it where it belongs. So you can see that I've labeled these here on the circle. So these numbers on the side of the circle here have come from the given information. So what you do to find the missing ones is you got to look at this right here is the diameter of the circle. So you know that 1/2 of the circle, a semicircle, is equal to 180 degrees. So to find the missing side here, you've got to take the two parts that you know and subtract that from 180. So that'll give you BC. So this is going to be 180 minus 78 and 42. And you're going to do the same thing on the bottom. So if you look at the bottom half, you see a semicircle as well. And you're missing one section there. And if you look at that section, AF, okay, arc AF, you can find that by looking at the semicircle here and saying that 180 minus 105 minus 27 will give you that arc length there. Then you have to look and say, okay, BAC is angle 1. So if you're trying to answer number 1, you've got to know that that is an inscribed angle. And you know that an inscribed angle, you'll have to look back at your notes, is 1/2 of that arc measure. Okay, so you're going to use your notes from everything that we've looked at over the past 2 weeks to kind of work together to see what these are. Okay, hopefully this helps. If you need anything else, just let me know.